Oh, boys and girls, have we got a special Camaro for us today. This is a 1969 Rally Sport Super Sport, big block, air conditioned. This thing's loaded up with options and a few extra goodies or improvements. It has disc brakes at all four wheels, and it's a 700 R4 overdrive transmission that's in there, ground up restored. We have a complete file full of documentation here. Numbers and codes are all correct. Go to volocars.com and you can look at pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car, including a monthly finance payment as well. But for right now, join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a very fresh restoration and it is beautiful. Body is excellent. I'm sure this is better than it was from the factory because I'm looking at orange glass right here. All lines up real nicely. Side of the car is real clean and straight. All nice around the moldings. 69 is that real nice body line here. All this is clean, straight, flush. No bubbles down at the bottoms. All nice and clean. Right around the wheel wells, nice and clean. All straight. Coming up the sail panel. The roof is straight. All this is excellent. Has the rear spoiler. All nice, clean, fits nice. I don't see any issues, shrinkage, cracking, bubbles. I don't see any of that. Right down to the bottom, it's like orange glass. All nice, clean. Shuts real nicely. All clean, smooth, straight. Yeah, so the body's in excellent shape. It is 72 Hugger Orange. It did originally come with a white vinyl top. They left the top off, but they have a brand new one if someone wanted to put it on there. But it looks really good without the vinyl top. But again, code 72 on the trim tag. It's polished, smooth, and glossy. The hockey stick stripe, I believe, is painted on. Real nice white hockey sticks on both sides. It looks like all the trim is replaced. The emblems, the ice cube trays, bumpers, spoilers, lenses, grill, all that looks new. Obviously, it's a Rally Sport with the hideaway lights. That also has relocated reverse lights as part of the Rally Sport package. Has the exterior trim package. That's wheel well moldings, drip rail moldings, and the quarter louvers. And everything looks new. It's all sparkling. It's all gleaming. An FM antenna. All the stainless trim, shiny. Glass is crystal clear on the windshield. Back window looks original. Just has a few light scratches on it. It is an X22. This is a big block car, so it has the blacked out tail panel, optional bumper guards. Here's the relocated reverse lights I told you about. Normally they're up here. Everything back here is beautiful. It's got a real nice stance, has some reproduction SS wheels, but look how wide these are. They were 7 inches when they were new, and this is at least maybe 8 or 9. Got a nice stance, some BF Goodrich tires. The back one's wider than the front ones. Beautiful, just gives a nice muscle look, nice stance. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you on the inside of this car. All right, we're gonna look inside this trunk compartment. Yeah, painted real slick and glossy, has the sticker. The jam is just as smooth and glossy. New weather strip, all clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. A real nice fitting rubber mat. Excuse me. And then here's the vinyl top that I was telling you about. Brand new in the box. And then the trim, I don't know if it's different than the trim that's on there, but you might damage that trim removing it. So there's all new trim. Excuse me. If someone wanted to put the vinyl top on. Chances are nobody will want to do that. It looks sharp the way it is, but there you have it. Door jambs are painted real slick. The latches look brand new. Weather strips are new. Sill plates are new. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, it's all been replaced. So everything on the dash, the vents, the trim, all looks great. Dash pad is real nice. Well, it's new. Has a tachometer. Heater control panel looks new. New vents. All this is nice and clean. Owner's manual right there. Clean metal. No new ashtray, but no lighter. You don't smoke in these cars anyway. It's got the center console with the gauge pack. The staple shifter. All nice, clean. Correct seat belts. They actually look new reproduction. All this paperwork comes with it. Tons of receipts for all new trim and that sort of stuff. Engine rebuild specs are in here. And this was in there as well. Looks like a copy of a window sticker. Seats are in excellent shape. Looks like there's a couple of marks right here, really minor. But new firm cushion, reupholstered. Headrests are redone. Seat backs are new. Yeah, all the seat belts look new. Everything back here, the seats, the side panels, the window cranks, the rear shelf, all looks like new. Headliner's been replaced. Fits real nice. The mirror is new. SS steering wheel looks new. I glanced over the retro stereo. It's in the factory location too. So yeah, inside the car is about 9 out of 10, in my opinion. So the motor, they had a 325 horse, and then they had a 350 horse. Pretty rare, and that's what this is. It's a 350 horse. That's the biggest horsepower you could get and still have air conditioning. The next one up was 375. You could not get air. So all the dates, the codes, the castings, all line up to the car. There is a matching VIN number stamped down by the oil pan. So the best we can tell, this is the original motor. All stock manifolds, restored carburetor and choke. It is upgraded with an HEI distributor. The air conditioning has all been rebuilt. It's all new modern stuff. Heater, control valve. But it does have some reproduction hoses. Got the washer bottle with the factory markings. Spring clamp battery cables. It is upgraded with an aluminum radiator to run nice and cool. Everything looks fresh. The pulleys, the belts, reproduction hoses and clamps, all new wiring loom, correct chrome valve covers, power brakes with cadmium plated booster. Of course, it has power steering as well. New wiper motor. Squirters are hooked up. Got the rubber on the cowl. All the metal surfaces are painted real nicely. So yeah, it's a beautiful motor compartment, and it's got lots of goodies. 350 horse, power steering, air conditioning, power brakes. Now you get to go take it for a drive and see how all of this functions.
Alright guys, 69 RS SS Camaro. We're taking her around the block. We're going to show you just how well she drives. This car is gorgeous, so I'm expecting it to ride just as well, or just as good, I should say. As you saw, we just rolled it out of the shop. It had about $1,700 in services done, so the boys spent some time on this car, so it should be solid. Feels really good so far. I've been gone for about a week. I was out sick, and let me tell you, the only remedy I needed was this right here, driving these classic cars. Yeah, it feels really good so far. Let's see what she does. beautiful. We're cruising, no issues. See this? This is exactly what I needed. Look at this. Yeah, I wouldn't hesitate to jump in and go. That was one smooth ride, guys, let me tell you.
So underneath this car is beautiful as well. It's all been redone, body off the frame, all the steering, suspension, shocks, bushings, ball joints, all of that was replaced. The entire fuel system was replaced, the tank, the straps, the sending unit, the fuel lines. The brake system was completely rebuilt, or actually it's probably all replaced. And they did upgrade to discs at all four wheels. Brake lines, e-brake cables, that all still looks new. Has a Gardner exhaust. They make exact reproduction exhaust systems. So it is a dual exhaust that goes into one transverse sideways muffler, and it has polished tailpipes coming out the back. The floors and all the metal is smooth, clean, painted satin black. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless Chevy orange. The starter looks brand new. The flywheel cover looks brand new. And as I said earlier, they put a 700 R4 overdrive automatic trans in there. So that's nice out on the road. You can just cruise, got that extra gear. So they had a custom-made drive shaft, and back is a 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi. We just went through and redid that. I guess something was put together wrong and had a problem with that, so we went through the rear end. That's all fresh. So with the 373, it's going to take off real good at the stoplight, or at the green light, I should say. And with that overdrive, you can just cruise. So beautiful, fresh, ground-up restored car. All the right colors, the options. I mean, this is the one that you want. Whether you know it or not, this is the one that you want. So go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer the rest of your questions, like how do you get it delivered to your door? How do you get it financed? If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.